Hi everyone and welcome aboard. In today's video I want to show you some last minute fixes that I had to do before I can get the plywood on here, which is going to be coming up real soon. But what I did was I took pictures of the Panga and put them on Facebook, and a couple of you fine folks gave me some great ideas. One of the viewers actually enlarged my picture and looked at it. He goes, "Did you eyeball the front of it?" And what he found was that the roundness on one side wasn't there, okay, but it was rounded a little bit too much on the other side. He goes, "Look at it. You need to fix it now. Otherwise, you're going to have big trouble later on." So I looked at it. I eyeballed it. And you were right. So the gentleman, I thanked him on Facebook. You can see it if you go there. But thank you for helping me. And some people on YouTube gave me some great ideas too. He's the one that brought the problem up, but a lot of you gave me ideas of how to fix it, stuff that I hadn't thought of. So thank you. That's why I love having you guys on here. So subscribe right now. I could use all your help. So let me show you first what the problem looked like, and then I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Looks great now. Okay, so it's hard to do this with the telephone because I'm going to be taking it off the tripod and moving it around. I don't have a lot of room in the garage to move backwards. So here's the bow, and you can see the roundedness of my longitudinals there, the chines and stuff going all the way back. And before, in the front, oops, where's my other finger? In the front, it was kind of going inward instead of out, and inward at the bottom. So I did some repair work and I got it to, I think, look pretty darn good. And there was the same way on the sides over here. Okay, you can see right where this red dot was. This one here was sticking out way too far, and it had quite a bow like that. So what I did was I cut some off and pushed it back in about probably, I'd say, a ½ inch, and then I shaved down the frame to make it meet, and it came out great. And on the opposite side, you could probably see right down, where is it? Right down about there. It's kind of hard to see. What I did there was I actually added about, I'd say, a ½ inch, ½ inch block. Okay, and I put that in and fixed it up so it worked good over there. And over here you could see what I did to bring this part, to bring this out. Can you see this shim I put underneath here? Nice big shim there. Glued it in. Nice big shim here. Glued it in. Now that brought it out about a ½ inch. Brought this out ½ inch. So what I did was I added this piece and this piece, glued it on, and then shaved it down so it was nice and smooth again. And I did the same to the other side over here. Now this was different. That was sticking out too far, and this one up here was too far in. So you can see I put the shim on the frame to kind of just a little piece, and it shaved right down to nothing. So you can see there's a lot of trimming. The problem is, even though the plans show everything great, and you try to measure as much as you can, some of the wood we get, especially since this is calls for 2x4s, some of the wood is warped. So it just doesn't come out like you want it to come out. So sometimes there's some trimming. So for all of you that helped me out and gave me advice, I really appreciate it. And now I'm pretty much ready to put the plywood on. So thanks for following along and watching my last minute fixes and bloopers. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye now.